We're going to have a first look here at Nepenthes maxima ramispina. This is a large plant, and the first bit we'll look at is the lower pitchers on a basal rosette here. You can see it's a big plant. There's the stem climbing up and vining around the nursery. So going down to the lower pitchers, here we go, very dark. One would expect that. The maxima we used was a dark form, our best maxima, and ramispina is also a very dark species, well known for that. So there we go, that's a lower pitcher, and let's trace the stem upwards, shall we, see what we can find. Okay, there are two intermediate pitchers hanging here. You can see they're intermediate because of the twirl, or nearly the twirl in the tendril starting to bend, and the wings are just vestigial. They're not far from being an upper pitcher, and it still has the dark coloration. If I can try to focus on the side of the pitcher body, you can see just a hint of green coming through, but still very dark. And moving on up the stem here, we've got two intermediate pitchers hanging here. Look at them, beautiful. Hanging very nicely, very gracefully. You can see the twirl in the tendrils, and beautiful pitchers. Just a hint of green coming through on the body of the pitcher there. I'll turn this one round, let's have a better look at the peristome. There we are. I don't think there's any upper pitchers on this guy yet. It does fine all over the nursery. I'd have to have a good look. If I do find anything, I'll tack it on to the end of this video, but I don't know if there are any at the moment. Going back down, final look at the lower pitchers. There we go, nice, very dark, quite broad peristome, lustrous peristome. That's our first ever look on video at Nepenthes maxima ramispina.